Here are some steps that helps you to purchase products and book services on tool44.com. 1. Sign up or log into your account on tool44.com. 2. Once logged in, locate the Marketplace tab in the left side menu and click on it. 3. Inside the Marketplace tab, select the Find and Connect option from the left side menu and click on it. 4. You will be directed to a page within the marketplace where you can find a wide range of products and services. 5. To refine your search, use the search bar and apply filters such as category, price range, or location. This will help you find the specific products or services you are interested in. Alternatively, you can browse through the listings to explore different options. 6. Click on the image or name of a product or service to view its detailed information, including description, price, seller details, and any additional specifications. 7. If the product or service is sold through a separate website, you will find a Visit Website button. Click on this button to be redirected to the seller's website where you can view all the available products or services they offer. 8. When purchasing a product, click on the Add to Cart button to select the product you wish to purchase. If applicable, specify the quantity or any customization options for the product. Proceed to the checkout process, following the prompts on the seller's website. Enter your personal details, shipping address, and any other required information. You will also receive updates regarding the shipping and delivery of your product. 9. When booking a service, click on the Add to Cart button to select the service you wish to book. Choose the desired date, time, or any specific requirements for the service. Enter your personal details and any additional information requested by the service provider. If applicable, provide the necessary delivery details or any preferences related to the service. Review your booking details and proceed to confirm the booking. 10. You will also receive updates or reminders regarding your booked service. 11. All the items you purchase and services you book will be added to your buying list and service list, respectively. You can access these lists from your account dashboard to view the status and updates of your orders and services. Make sure to check your account regularly for any updates or notifications regarding your purchases and bookings. That's it. You have now learned how to purchase products and book services on tool44.com. Enjoy exploring the marketplace, selecting your desired items, and making your purchases and bookings.